Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new VPN called OVS Tunnel. This VPN is designed for unlimited and secure browsing, offering its own fast servers and supporting multiple protocols. If you're looking for a reliable VPN, stay tuned as I walk you through the installation and setup process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store by tapping on its icon. Once the Play Store is open, locate the search bar by tapping on the search icon. Now, type OVS Tunnel into the search bar and press enter. You'll see a list of results. Carefully look for OVS Tunnel with its recognizable VPN icon. Next, tap on the OVS Tunnel result to open its app page. Once you're on the app page, tap on the Install button. The download will begin, and it might take a few minutes to complete depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is finished, an Open button will appear. Tap on it to launch the VPN. Upon launching OVS Tunnel, you'll be directed to its home screen. The app may ask for notification permissions. This is optional, and you can choose to allow or deny it. Before proceeding, ensure you have an active internet connection, as the VPN needs to load and update its server list. This process may cause the app to restart automatically, so wait for a few seconds. Now let's explore the VPN's features. The home screen is divided into two sections, one for selecting servers and another for choosing protocols. To select a server, tap on the Server section. You will see a list of locations available. Pick any server you prefer. You can switch servers anytime based on your needs. Next, let's choose a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button to open a list of built-in protocol options. Scroll through the list and select the one that works best for your browsing needs. If you want to use custom settings instead of the built-in tweaks, tap on the radio button next to Custom Settings in the top right corner. A window will appear, allowing you to choose from protocols like Slow DNS, V2Ray, SSL, and others. Some protocols require custom servers, while others work with built-in servers. Select the method that suits you best. Once you've configured your settings, return to the home screen. You will see a large Start button. Tap on it to connect the VPN. Within a few seconds, your VPN connection will be established, providing you with a secure and unrestricted browsing experience. If you want to share your VPN connection with other devices, open the side menu and tap on Tethering. Enable the setting to allow other devices or computers to connect through your VPN. And that's it. You're now set up with OVS Tunnel, enjoying fast and secure browsing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.